Hello, it's Damon, the Global Gardener. I'm reviewing the Gonicc shears in this video. Gonicc. How do you say that with two C's? There's not even an accent on the C, so I'm not sure. Gonicc. They're very unique. But I'll put a link below the video so you can pick these up. They're half the price of Felco's, and I don't know, they're worth about that. Partly because like this, it's mainly this thumb thing. Like maybe if you stole some one off of some Felco's. It's plastic, first of all. When it's open, it like pokes your finger here sometimes, and then it pokes you in the butt if you put it in your jeans pocket in the back. If you put it upside down, it doesn't as much. But then I was going to show you in this spiraea, like if you're doing real garden work, like if you're just once in a while, sure, whatever, but if you're doing real garden work, like I'm trimming the dead out of this spiraea, and when I go in here, sometimes, like most of them I can get, and then once in a while, like if I'm real in here, like when I first started pruning on this, I would go in here, and then the nub would catch, and it would shut, and then so I'd be in the middle of pruning or whatever, and it would shut on me. So it's like a flaw with these cheap shears, but the blade is decent. They can be resharpened. Like it's a real rip-off of the Felco 2s, which is decent. That's why I got them. I wanted to try them out, but I wanted to review them for you on this channel because I review all kinds of gardening products, and that's my beef with these, we'll say, is that when you're going in to situations just like this where you're trying to get things and then it'll catch on something and it'll shut, and it's a little bit frustrating when you're not used to that, maybe, but then you have to like open them and shut them every time. So I don't know. Oh, there's a bird in the background. Hello, bird. Thank you for the cameo. So I still prefer the Felco 2s over the Gonicc, but even because Felco is a much more elegant word than Gonicc. Get me the Goniccs, or get me the Felcos. Can you grab my Felcos? I guess I'm used to saying it, maybe. Over 35 years of saying Felcos, because I've had Felcos since I was 16, and I've had Goniccs for a few weeks, and but that's my honest opinion about them. If you don't use them a lot, they're worth it, and if you... Hello, bird. I'm gonna cut that bird. If you don't use them much, they're certainly worth it, and if you are used to Felcos, this is a nice knockoff brand. It's real decent. It's got the same gears and the same hinge. Like the hinge is actually probably swappable. I don't know if the blades are exactly swappable or the gears, but I don't actually know if any of those parts are replaceable. Like Felcos, you can replace any and all of the parts, including the handle coverings. So I don't know, just a good throwaway knockoff, far better than the Corona shears. I've tried a number of different Corona shears and they're not to my liking. But yeah, it's really just that the thumb, what do you call that? The thumb catch? The thumb release, I will say. The thumb release catches on everything because it's so prominent. It's like my nose, it's very prominent, and the other side not so much, but that, and I guess for left-handers, I don't know if they make left-hander ones, but Felco does. You can see my other videos on that, on the Felco 2s. I go into that in great detail, but the Gonicc, I have this video and one other video on them pruning roses. So check out all my videos because I've been at this most of my life, and I have a master's degree in agriculture, and so you'll probably learn a thing or two. And please leave comments because I always learn a thing or two. I'm in Colorado currently, and I've gardened in California most of my life with my California hat. And I've actually gardened in many US states and a few different countries, Germany, Canada. I have some farm tours on this channel too, from Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and tons of botanic garden visits. Those are spectacular. So enjoy those, and I look forward to seeing you there. Happy gardening.